Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to play Old Town Road. Really easy way. We're only going to use one finger at a time, and we're only going to use 2 strings. So let's get started. So with the first part, we're going to play the 4th fret of the low E string 2 times. Then we're going to move to the 2nd fret of the A string, play that 2 times. Then the 2nd fret of the low E string, play that 2 times. Then the low E string open, play that 2 times. So again, 4th fret on the low E string, 2nd fret on the A string, 2nd fret on the low E string, and open low E string. And together it sounds like this. And that's it. And you can pretty much play that along with the whole song. If this was too easy for you, check out the intermediate version of this song that I have up on YouTube. And click subscribe below if you like these videos.